Hey guys, I want to welcome you to my channel, Don M Photography, and I have a little hack I want to share with you today, and that is regarding this Aputure AL-528W LED light. Probably be super bright like that. Anyway, with these lights, how often have you wanted to have a softbox for it, you know, to soften the light? And so sometimes I've shot it through a shoot-through umbrella. But you know, you always was thinking of one of my old softboxes or something that I could use and adapt to work for it. But so instead of mounting it on the bottom, I mounted it on the side, and then there's an opposing threaded piece here. So this little thing, you buy them in a kit. They're like little studs and little quarter 20 adapters. And I'm getting ahead of myself. So then I had this older softbox that fits on those beginner studio lights that they used to get on eBay. This one was from Cowboy Studios, and I don't use this very much because I've updated most of my lights and I'm using the Bowens mount. And so anyway, I got to thinking, if I added a little loop onto here, I just made a loop of wire. I had initially started with elastic band, but it broke because it was an old elastic band, so now I have a piece of wire on there. And if I put this on here, then that should allow me to have a nice softbox happening. So if I pop that through there and just hang it on there, actually sits pretty good, and I have something to fit the front diffuser on. So there we go, you can see it. It's sitting reasonably well. Can't really operate it too good to aim it, but it's definitely going to soften the light. So we'll put the diffusion on here. So I'm just using a single diffuser because I think I was able to get the ISO 400 or maybe a little bit more, and f4 or so, and 1/60th of a second. I played with those numbers. I have some pictures to show you, so I'll put the data beside them so you know exactly what they are. And I was thinking the reason I wanted to do this is because like if you watch Peter Hurley, he always says he wants to have some light in the person's face to help dilate the pupils. So I was thinking, hey, what would happen if I use this together with my Godox flashes? So the pictures that I'm going to post were shot with this light. I should turn it on while we're here. And the Godox flashes through a Westcott softbox. And you will see in the pictures that the colors matched up quite well. This color seems a little bluer than what I'm videotaping in here. It does quite a good job, and the color's nice, and it's quite soft, although I think it's blown out on the camera, so you can't tell. But it's a nice blue light that's going to match up very well with the Godox flashes. Someone had asked me the last time I posted a video like this about putting the LED light in the softbox, whether it got hot. And it gets warm. It definitely gets warm, but I was playing with this afternoon, and I had it on for quite a long time, like probably an hour or more. And it got warm up here, but I think if you run it for a longer period of time, it gets warm anyway, because there's quite a bit of room for the air to flow. Like none of the vents are blocked, and because I think it's brighter than these lights that I'm videotaping with now. They are 23 watt curly fluorescents, and so they're pretty bright, but by the time you put them through the umbrella, they've lost a lot of their light. I can crank this one up here, so if you want to see in comparison to my 23 watt lights, and they're a similar distance apart, it is like seriously brighter. Anyway, that was my hack for today, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you like my channel as I come up with little ideas to share with you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified when new stuff comes up. And most of all, thanks for watching.